Good afternoon. My name is Erika Milena Figueroa. Code 1085930144. Through this video, I am going to talk about the effects of environmental problems due to technological and social progress. The environment has always been everyone's survival element. They bypass daily activities, generate some kind of pollution. The more the population grows, the technology advances, and with it pollution. The environment is the factor that allows us to perform functions from the most basic to the most structured, since it allows us the resource for the production and obtaining these directly or indirectly. We significantly affect the environment. Negative impacts. Directly or indirectly, every day we generate climate changes, air pollution, smoke, water and pollution, deforestation of forests, and the production of many waste that end up having a negative impact in the environment. Positive impacts. Technology not only has a negative impact in the environment, that is, it also contributes to his improvement because thanks to technology it has been possible to implement innovative recycling process and better waste management. It can be said that technology is being a double-edged sword for the conservation to contributing to good development. It also contributes to and encourages the extension of the natural resource essential for development and its advancement. Changes and improvements. We must be aware of the damage we are causing to the planet, and though we cannot live without polluting, it is necessary to take care of the place where we live, so it is advisable to avoid the excessive use of plastic and disposables. Learn to recycle. Separate the garbage we produce. Save energy whenever possible. Solar energy, take care of water, closed in taps when we are not using them. Do not throw garbage into rivers or seas. Do not damage plants. Do not cut down these. Do not massacre or keep in captivity to animals. And try not to pollute the air with toxic gases and chemicals, among others. Thank you.